The brand new Google Pixel Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 are easily two of the best smartwatch in Android device. Samsung is still now on its plan to launch a Galaxy Watch 5 successor. Samsung has some cool things added to their watch like a body temperature sensor which is not really used right now. However, the alleged Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 has been in the rumor mill for a long time. Details of the purported wearable device continue to pop up on the internet from time to time. To recall, Korean tech blog Naver recently predicted that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 would sport an OLED display made by Chinese company. The South Korean tech behemoth is reportedly planning to collaborate with Chinese display maker BO for its next-gen Galaxy smartwatch. Samsung developed a new technology where the sensor in the Watch 6 will not get affected by it and will give accurate results. Interestingly, Samsung is also considering including the thermometer function on their new Galaxy Buds as well, where they are using a slightly different technology that can detect infrared wavelengths emitted from the eardrum to take temperature reading. With that said, the battery of the Galaxy Watch 6 has appeared in the regulatory listing, which confirms that we're going to see a bigger battery this time. Now, Samsung has neither confirmed nor denied these speculations. However, the word on the street is that the company is prepping to launch the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 in the second half of 2023. The upcoming smartwatch dimensions could be 46.6 by 46.6 by 11 millimeters. Also will probably weight around 53 grams. Aside from this, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 could offer eSIM support. The Galaxy Watch 6 will reportedly sport a glass display with a Corning Gorilla Glass DX layer on top for additional protection. The new charger also has a USB-C adapter instead of USB-A, and it's an important change since watches only come with a cable. The Galaxy Watch 6 also expected to carry MILSTD 810 grams and ECG certifications. The smartwatch will allegedly have an IP68 rating for water resistance. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.